Okay, let me zoom in on his face.
Alright, wait. You ready? You ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Oh.
Oh, look at that, buddy. Wow. Aren't you excited?
Yes.
Why don't you sit in it? The door's open, you gotta climb over. There you go. Awesome. Tuck your jacket in there. Cool, buddy.
Wow.
Wow, it's gonna be so much fun. And the battery's charging, so you have to wait until tomorrow to actually drive it, or hopefully sometime soon.
Ah.
Awesome, huh?
What is that?
That's the battery charger.
It just charges in a wall outlet. Huh. What do you think, bud?
It looks pretty good.
Well, you know who gave this to you?
What?
Grandma and Grandpa Richardson.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Awesome, buddy.
Hey, there's keys.
Oh, wow. It's gonna be so much fun.
How do you pull them out?
I think they stay in there.
Alright. How do I set this thing up?
Oh, Marty, the battery has to charge, and then you're gonna get to use it. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow or something.
Ah, yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yes.
It's just starting to sink in. Awesome.
Look, I got a cup holder right here.
Oh, awesome.
Holder.
That's perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah, in case I have something to drink.
And you know what else, buddy? The radio works.
Oh.
Yes, I have to put some batteries in it still, though.
Oh, it's a separate battery?
4 C's.
All right, I'm gonna turn the video off. Say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa Richardson one more time.
Thank you.
Do you love it?
Yes, look, I can turn the wheels.
Yeah.